गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एनबी क्लासेस 2। आज मैं आपको क्लास 5 का लर्निंग साइंस फॉर स्मार्टर लाइफ। आज मैं आपको इसमें चैप्टर 6 का क्वेश्चन आंसर बताने वाली हूँ। इसमें 3 तरह के क्वेश्चन आंसर है, एक वेरी शॉर्ट, एक शॉर्ट टाइप और एक लॉन्ग टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चैप्टर 6 है आवर सेफ्टी। तो सेफ्टी के बारे में ये चैप्टर है, उसी के बारे में एक्सप्लेन किया गया है। तो इसी के बारे में मैं आज आपको इसका प्रश्नोत्तर बताने वाली हूँ। तो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप मेरे इस चैनल को लाइक करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी करें और कमेंट में भी लिखें आपको कौन से चैप्टर का वीडियो चाहिए। मैं कोशिश करूँगी उसे अपने इस चैनल में अपलोड करने की। और आप ये भी लिखें मुझे कमेंट में कि आप किस लोकेशन से बोल रहे हैं, आपका नाम क्या है और आप किस क्लास में पढ़ते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इसके वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर से। तो देखिए यहाँ पर वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन है। पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ ए फर्स्ट एड? Answer is an immediate initial care given to the patient before any proper medical treatment is called first aid. Now question number 2, what is a fire extinguisher? A portable device that discharges a jet of water, foam or gas to extinguish fire. Now come to question number 3, what ignites fire? Fuel, heat and air are needed to ignite fire. Question number 4, when should tetanus injection be given? Now the answer is, a tetanus injection should be taken when you get a deep cut, burn or wound. Question number 5, why is water not used to put out fire caused by electricity? Answer is, water is not used to put out fire caused by electricity because electricity can flow through water and gives an electrical shock. Now come to number C, which is short answer type questions. So the question number 1 is, what is a splint, when and how it should be used? The answer is, a splint is a straight, hard thing used in bandaging a broken bone to give it support. It is used when a bone is broken and it should be tied gently around the injured part to stop movement. Now come to question number 2. Why is water not used to put out fire caused by oil? Give examples of some flammable things. Answer is, water is not used because oil floats on water and the water can make the burning oil spread more, making the fire bigger and more dangerous. Examples of flammable things are petrol, kerosene, cooking oil, paper, dry leaves. Now come to question number 3. Why a cloth is tightly tied above the snake bitten part of the body? Answer is, a cloth is tied tightly above the snake bite to slow down the poison from moving to the rest of the body. Now come to question number 4. What first aid should be given in case of burns? Answer is, first aid for burns. Number 1, put cold running water on the burnt skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Cover the burn with a clean, soft cloth. Number 3, apply an antiseptic lotion on the burns. Now come to the long answer type question. Question number 1 is, why medicine should be kept away from the reach of children? What first aid should be given in case of poisoning? So here is the answer. Medicines can be very harmful if taken in the wrong way or without need. Children may think medicines are sweets and eat them. This can make them very sick. That's why medicines should be kept in a locked cupboard or high shelf. First aid in case of poisoning. First point, quickly find out what they swallowed. Second point, take them to a doctor. Third point, show the doctor the bottle of poison and medicine or medicine. Okay, next question, what should we do in case of gas leak? So here is the answer. What to do in case of gas leak? Don't light a matchstick or turn on any electrical switch. Open all the doors and windows to let the gas out. Turn off the gas supply from the main valve. leave the place and call for help from elders or the gas company. Now come to question number 3. When and why will you use crepe bandage? We use a crepe bandage when someone has a sprain, swelling or injury in the muscles or joints. It helps to keep the injured part still, reduce swelling and give support so it heals faster. Now come to question number 4. This is the last question of this chapter. What first aid should be given in case of nose bleeding? So here is the answer. First aid for nose bleeding. First number point, make the person sit upright and lean a little forward. Now number 2 point, ask them to pinch the soft part of the nose with fingers for about 10 minutes. Number 3 point, put a cold cloth or ice pack on the nose and forehead. Number 4 point, tell the person to breathe through the mouth. Number 5th point, don't put the head back because blood may go inside. Now come to the practice test 1. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. An antivenom injection is given in case of snake bite. A crepe bandage must be wrapped in case of sprain. Number 3. A fire extinguisher sprays foam or gas to cut off air. Number 4. Use an ice pack in case of all of these, यानी कि sprain, nose bleeding and fracture, तीनों में ice pack दे सकते हैं, यूज़ करना है. Number 5. Never put off fire caused due to faulty electrical wiring with water. Now come to number B. State true or false. So here is the number 1. Always remove the cloth stuck to the burnt part. Answer is false. Sprain is an injury due to the tearing of ligament. True. Only minor burns can be treated at home. True. Tetanus injection is taken in case of severe burns. False. Number 5. Wash fruits and vegetables to remove harmful chemicals sprayed on them. True. Now come to number C. Match the following. Burns, blisters, wounds, tetanus, snake bite, antivenom, fracture, splint, animal bite, rabies, sprain, crepe bandage. Now come to next practice test 2. Here is the tick the correct answer. Fire caused by a flammable oil is put off by sand. The skin becomes red and blisters appear in burns. Question number 3. Sling made of cloth is used for supporting fractured bone. Burns can result from electrical shock, fire, chemicals, all of these. In case of nose bleeding, do not dash. Breathe through nose, blow nose, use ice pack. तो both A and B. तो ये था बच्चों चैप्टर 6 आवर सेफ्टी का क्वेश्चन आंसर और टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. जो भी प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट था उसका सभी आंसर मैंने बताया अभी इस वीडियो में. अगर आपको स्टडीज़ में हेल्प किया हो तो प्लीज़ मेरे वीडियो को लाइक करें. आप ये भी लिखें कमेंट सेक्शन में आप किस लोकेशन से बोल रहे हैं और आपका नाम क्या है, किस क्लास में पढ़ते हैं, और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करें, उन्हें भी स्टडीज़ में हेल्प मिलेगी. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो जल्द से जल्द लेके आऊँगी. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.